number 68 in the 101 list of side hustles you can start in 2020. Content writing. If you're good sitting at your desk typing away, if the thoughts and information streams naturally out of your brain, content writing might be for you. If you've got things to say, especially in a particular niche, you've really got to stay with what you know. You can't. I don't think you can effectively jump from one to the other. From what are we looking at? From writing about vegan to writing about web design, doesn't really work. You also want to link it back. Your name's going to be attached to this article, so you want to link back and people find you, and you really want to stay within your own niche. So if you know a lot about a certain topic, content writing might be for you. All I did was jump on Google and come up with a page that'll tell you all the best places to go and make money. And then from each one, depending on what your niche is, just jump in. So this one's a fine parenting. If you're a parent, you know a lot about parenting, looking after kids, all that sort of stuff. These people, obviously, they're the middlemen. They buy content and then they'll resell it to blogs and magazines and things like that. There's not a huge prerequisite for these. Short, easy to read, of course. It has to be original. This is a big one. Not only original to you, so you can't just go and rip somebody off and write it, but they'll probably be careful on curated content as well. If you take somebody else's and change it, you probably have to do better than that. It'll have to be fairly original. But the other thing is it can't be published anywhere else before. So even if it's something you wrote and it's on your blog, if it's out there, you can't use it. It's got to be fresh, new content. 1,500 to 3,000 words is not huge, and they'll pay you $75 if it gets picked up. So you'll have to submit it, and then they'll say, yes, I want to use this for something. They'll probably on-sell it to a magazine for $150, and they'll give you $75. So that's the parenting one. Great Escape, obviously travel articles. So if you're an avid traveler, all you need to do is just keep writing about your experiences. Interviews, that's if you interview somebody and transcribe it, $150. That's not bad. Again, you've just got to produce the content. Just sit down and write. What else we got here? Quick tip, make $50. Tip on what? I'm not sure. $50 for a quick tip is not too bad. A mini tutorial, 500 words, not huge. Screencast of under 5 minutes in length. That's not bad. And you get $50, so that's like a video blog. Not so much writing, but you'll have to write the content before you say it. So that's pretty good. And Tenderly, I think, is a vegan-friendly living, if that's what you're into. We care for the animals. It's got a nice little picky here, which would look awfully good on a spit roast. Meditation for beans, awesome. Yeah, pretty far out there stuff. Anyway, if that's what you're into and you can write about it, hey, you can make some money. 1,000 to 2,000 words, again, not huge. $100 to $400. Not a huge amount of writing for pretty decent payoff. If you did one of those a day, even a few of them a week, it's not a bad little income. So that's writing. So if you think you can content write, there are people out there that will do it. You can go on somewhere like Upwork or Fiverr as well. Plenty of people there will pay you money, probably not very much. And your credibility, you're not going to build a name for yourself. If you do it through the other way, you're more or less building a name for yourself. And if you do a really good job, hopefully other work will follow. But that's content writing in a nutshell. So if you think that's something that you can do, give that one a go. Be sure to let us know if that's something you want to try, or if you've done it before. I'd love to hear your voices. Give us a thumbs up and a comment, and let us know how you're going with it. If you are looking at starting your side hustle in 2020, this is definitely the book I recommend to get started. It's by legendary marketer Russell Brunson. You can get a copy of it sent to you. You just need to pay the shipping costs and we'll send it out. I'll leave a link down below. Be sure to go through and get a copy of that to get started. It's well worth it.